What is up YouTube? Welcome back. If you're new here, hi. My name is Xanthia, I am 21 and I live on the Gold Coast.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock, jingle bells.
Welcome back to Vlogmas. Couldn't tell you what day it is. I have done so many of these at this stage, but today I'm in my car, if you cannot tell. And she is in need of a little bit of TLC, and by that I mean very much in need. So I have pulled off almost all of the stickers that I originally put on, I think it was this time last year. The only one I kept is one that says "But did you die?" So that's the only like original sticker that's left on my car, and I'm going to redecorate the inside and the outside, kind of give her a bit of a clean up, maybe wash her. I'm not sure. It is so very hot. I think it's about 31 degrees outside at the moment, and I've had my aircon blasting and my car is still really warm, but we're gonna power through it. We're gonna get this done, and then I'm gonna go back inside and enjoy the aircon. So yeah, I've lowered my steering wheel as low as she will go. I will be putting it back up later, but I'm gonna give you a quick little haul of what I have. Ignore the blanket because I had that last time, but what I have got is not the sunscreen either, that goes in the boot. I've got a whole bag of goodies here. So we're going to start off with these little bows that I have. Like a bag hook with a little bow on it. I think she's just so cute. And then it's just going to go here where my old black ones are. I'm just going to throw all my rubbish on the floor because I have a bag that I'm going to use to clean it up. I've got these little like cleaner things. Got a couple of stickers which I will be showing you as I stick them on. Some coasters or like some cup holder thingies. I have no idea if these are actually going to fit, so if they do, that'll be fantastic, and if they don't, oh well. I have a visor thing, a couple more stickers, air freshener. I don't know what it smells like, but hopefully it smells good. If it smells gross, then I'm gonna cry. Couple more air fresheners. Oh, this is that little like star vent clip thing, I think. It's supposed to be rose quartz, but I don't think it is. But it's just a vent clip, so that's gonna get clipped on. I have a phone hook thing. Pretty sure this is supposed to go on my seat neck thing. Another air freshener. I thought that was pretty funny. Couple more stickers. This is supposed to be a mobile phone magnet, but I don't know how well she's gonna work. It seems pretty strong, but like I said, I have no idea how well that'll hold. I think that's my rubbish bin, and then I have little bin bags. I thought I ordered them in pink, but evidently not. What goes in the back here? Some more seatbelt cover things because my old ones are starting to get really gross. Couple more stickers. Can you tell that I got a lot of stickers? Some really cute like diamante trim stuff. Another one of those bow hooks. I have no idea what this is. Yep. It's a little like coin holder slot thing. So it like sits in your cup holder, and then when you have loose change, you just drop it in. Because I get a lot, not a lot, but I have quite a few coins and stuff that just kind of hang out in my car. And it's so cute. Dash cam, because I have been meaning to put one of those in my car for so long now. One of those emergency glass breaking hammer things. It's also got a seatbelt cutter, so that is going to go in the door of my car. If I'm not allowed these in Australia, please let me know now, because I do not want to be carrying this in my car and then have a cop pull me over and like arrest me for having that. You know how embarrassing that'd be? And then I got, I don't know how well it's gonna work, but I have a little heads up display. Oh. So yeah, that's everything, and then I am going to try and set all of this up now. I'm just gonna rearrange all of this. That's going in the bin.